Have you ever tried to use Fibonacci levels and it stops you out before moving in your actual direction and you got disappointed? You pick up your phone to look for other strategy. Yes, I know, because I have been in that situation. Believe me, it stops. But don't worry, this video I'm going to show you how I got out of this situation and it's making me a crazy amount of money today. What you will learn: when and how to use Fibonacci levels, which levels are actually important and why, how to enter and exit trade using Fibonacci levels, and common mistakes traders do and how to avoid them. When to use Fibonacci retracement. In order to understand Fibonacci levels, you need to know three forex market cycle. Three different market cycles. Uptrend is when the market is making an impulsive move and making a correction, and making another impulsive move and making a correction. That is when you regard it is trending up, higher low. In downtrend, the market is making an impulsive move and making a correction also and making an impulsive move. The upside is called the lower high, while the downside is called the lower low. So consolidation, market is making an equal high and equal low, so there's no trade for us. So in conclusion, we can only take trade in uptrend and downtrend, but in consolidation there's no trade for us. How to use Fibonacci retracement in combination with the Japanese candlesticks. In uptrend, first thing we'll do is to identify the impulsive move. You can look at these candlesticks. This is an impulsive move. Here is called the swing high, while here the low is called the swing low. So we wait for a series of candlesticks to come down. Then after seeing this, we have confirmed that the market will pull down. Then we'll take our Fib retracement from the swing low here to the swing high here. So we wait for the price to come either the 60% level or 78% level. So let us wait. So after some minutes, the market comes at 60% level with a confirmation of evening star. You can see that this candlestick engulfed this Doge candle at this zone at 60% level. So we will take our buy order here. Then our stop loss will be below 78% level. Why? Because we are taking the we are buying at 60% level. So our stop loss is supposed to be at 78% level. So our first take profit will be minus 27, while our take profit will be minus 60%. So let us see what the market does. Boom! After some minutes, the market hits our take profit. Then in downtrend, we first of all identify the impulsive move. After identifying the impulsive move, then we, after anticipating this bullish candle, so we take our Fib retracement. Then from this swing low to this swing high. So we wait for the price to come either 60% or 78%. After some minutes, you can see that the price is at 60% level, but there's no confirmation. So we wait to see the confirmation first before we enter. After some minutes, we see a confirmation, a rejection at 78% level. At 78% level, so we will take the trade. Then our stop loss will be above here. Our stop loss will be above the 78% level because we are taking the trade at 78% level. So our take profit will be minus 27 or minus 60%. Let us see what the market does. Boom! The price hit the take profit, so we are out. Which levels are actually important and why? In retracements, for the pullback, we will look at 38% level. I normally use 38% level when the market is in a strong trending market, and 50% I use it for day trading only, and 61% is a golden low show level. It's also used for swing trading. 78% level is the last level to save the market. For the projection, for exit points, we will use minus 27 and minus 68% level for our exit. So let's see the lay chart. Hello my friend, if you are finding value in this video, why haven't you smashed that like button so that YouTube can recommend it to people who are finding it difficult like you, and hit that subscribe button. It helps notify you whenever I upload a new video. Hello traders, if you made it to this point, congratulations. I'm very happy because this place is the important place that you will pay attention in this video. You can see that I'm coming down to explain these parts for you guys because I want you guys to learn and benefit from it. When I was starting up, it was difficult for me to understand this concept, and it made me lose a lot of money, which if I know today, I wouldn't have lose a lot like that. But thank God you guys have this channel like mine, because I'm a transparent person. I'll be praying because this forex market here is a big market that everybody can profit and be comfortable and live life. The money will not go away. So why should I hide something from you guys? So before continuing with this video, please smash that like button and subscribing button so that you will always be notified, because video that is coming is greater than this one. This is my first video, that the one that is coming will be greater than this, because I'll be sharing pure truth about this market. So before we go, I'm a day trader and my name is Foxfire Pips. Thanks you for coming around. So before, I'm a day trader, I will stop at daily time frame. So first thing, whenever I wake up in the morning, but before I start showing you what I did every day I wake up in the morning, I will first of all show you my Fibonacci settings. Here now, when you open your market, your chart will look like this. Your chart will look like this. When you open your forex account, your chart will look like this. So, but I will show you my own settings. You see, this is my own setting. This is my own setting. So you can screenshot it. I'll leave it for a seconds. Let me say 30 seconds. Okay, I know you have screenshot it. That is my settings. So let me go down a little. Here you can also screenshot this side, because this is my pure setting. Because I told you guys I'm going to be playing here. I'm going to explain to you guys what I do and how I do it. So you can see. Then guys, why can't you give me that smash button? Because I'm about to reveal something here that's some people paying thousands of dollars to people to this. So okay, see, whenever I wake up in the morning, what I do is to spot out some key levels. What are the key levels here? Here now I can see the market has tested here before. Where next, I will just make it simple. Here now, market has also tested here. You can see touched here, touched here, touched here, and touched here again. It shows that the market is in a strong bullish levels. So what again can we spot out? We can also spot out that this market, at this point, this market is trending up. You can see that this market is in a very bullish trending market. Is in a very bullish trending market. If you can spot it here, if you can do this in your market, it means that you are in a right track. You can see after that, what again? Let us pay attention to the candlesticks I teach you guys. You can see at this point now that this market has a rejection over there. This market has a rejection over there. So what that means, a shooting star that shows that the market is going to go down. So what else will we do is to go down to 4-hour time frame, to spot our trend line. From here now we can see that this market is in uptrend. Also, that this market is in uptrend. So, and you can see a series of 4-hour candlesticks showing you that the market is in a downtrend. So what again? We'll go to 1-hour time frame, because our entry will be at 15 minutes time frame. So what are you seeing? We are seeing that the market is making a higher high. Here now is the higher high that I taught you guys, and here now is the higher low. And here is also a higher. Here now is also a higher high, and here is also a higher low. So that is how it's been done. So what else can we spot? We can also spot there's a tiny trend line coming from here. Can you see that, guys? Am I the only one seeing it? Can you see this? You can see there's a trend line. First touch, second touch, third touch, fourth touch. There's a break of the trend line. So what are we waiting for? We wait for the confirmation to show us the pure direction of the market. So to show us the pure direction of the market, so let us play the market. Let us turn our period separator. Let us turn the period separator. Okay. So because timing is important in this market. You can see here now is Tuesday, here is the Monday. So what are we waiting for? So let us still spot our supports at 1 hour. Here now you can see there's a resistance here that this can support this market to push up. So let us see what's happened. After some waiting. So with this thing, you see that this market now has created an equal high. You guys remember? This market has created an equal high. So, and here now, if this market now break this zone, this market break this zone, it means that the market has changed structure, because you can see that this here now was able to create this equal high. If this one break this zone, it means that the market structure has changed according to what I taught you guys. So let us see what's happened. Guys, this thing is not playing. Network. Okay, sorry guys, we need to take it back. You can see that this market now created a structure here. Let us see it now. Waiting happen. Okay, guys, this candle here now has breaking this zone. To show you that the market structure has changed. What we will do is to take our Fib from here to here. Then you can see that this market now created a lower high. It makes this, and this is the lower high here. Let me mark it out. this is a lower high. This is a lower high in the market. So what X? Then going to 15 minutes time frame to spot our entry. So we'll be waiting. Then with these candlesticks now, with this bullish candlestick, according to what I taught you guys, then you will take your Fib retracement from this low, this one particular, or this. Let us start with this one. You use this low here. I'm bringing it to you guys. So you take it from this side now, and place your. You wait for your 50% level. We take our short trade from your 50% level here now. Our 50% as a day trader, your stop loss will be 26 pips above. Then our take profit will be 85 pips. So let us see what the market does. Guy, do you see after some waiting, we see that the price is in our zone. What else will we do? Wait. Then with this thing, with this stuff now, you can see this rejection at a level, and also in a zone that the market has broken, a resistance that the market has, a support that the market has broken, and is testing it as a resistance now. So we short the market here now. We enter the market. Our stop loss will be little bit above the 78% level. You can see, guys, our stop loss, our take profits. Let us go to 4-hour time frame to spot our take profits. Then our take profit supposed to be here now. This recent low here. Here. Sorry guys, I was supposed to be here, because the market has this structure here that started all this move. You can see it first created this and this, then before trending up. So this is the our take profit to be here. So getting to 15 minutes time frame, let us see what the market does. So our stop loss will be above this, because we are taking the entry at 60% level. So let us see what the market does. So guy, with this thing we can move our entry, we can move our stop loss below this here, because the market have moved far away. So click even, then wait for the price to hit our target here. So let's see what the market does. This is next day. If I'm in this trade, I would have take profit here. Then how tomorrow I will still continue the trend down. Guys, you see this finally hits our take profit. This is a lay example. You can look at this screen here. You can see the screenshot. I send it out to this Telegram, my free Telegram channel, that before even this trade happened. I send it out, and everybody make a crazy amount of it. Make a crazy amount of it. We lied it to down. So guys, I'm not joking. This is not this thing is not. I did not just spot out something. I send it out. Guys, go and check it out. Check the date I send the stuff out, and you see the trade played out the way we anticipated. Thank you guys, and thank you for subscribing. And if you want me to go more details, I don't want this video to be long. That's why I'm going to cut this video here. Thanks for watching. I love you guys. Thanks.